I thought I was dreaming. I saw a lion. I think I saw a lion.
Leave your dream alone. We have to go outside and watch the stars.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's go outside and watch the stars.
Alright, this is the spring season and we're outside now. It's around 9 p.m. at night and, well, there's nothing interesting going on in this part of the sky. Let's find something more familiar. Look at that. We have found the famous Orion constellation with its belt of Orion and this beautiful Orion constellation.
Wait, this used to be somewhere else in the sky.
Exactly. So Orion used to be in the eastern sky a few months ago. But now it is a bit more towards the west. And over time, in the next few months, it won't even be visible in the night sky. Until, of course, next winter. But we move on to the next interesting object. What is this?
That's Sirius.
Exactly. This is the brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. Now, we'll make a huge jump from Sirius all the way to our next target. 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is Regulus. If you can find Regulus in the night sky, you can then maybe figure out this inverted question mark, and this is how you find the constellation Leo. Can you see Regulus?
It's not even visible.
Well, that's a problem because regular is pretty hard to see. I mean, if you can really make out this inverted question mark, maybe then you can find Regulus and see if you can make out this larger constellation, which we can see it here as Leo.
Do all stars twinkle in the night sky? It is only Regulus that has received high reverence over the course of human history. In ancient Mesopotamia, the Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians were the first to recognize the shape of the stars of the Leo Regula, the Great Line. People believed it to be a guardian of the night sky who could foresee the future and warn them of approaching calamities. The bright star Regulus was regarded as the royal star associated with kingship, power, and the fate of rulers. Priests and astronomers watched the line closely. Changes in its appearance were seen as signs of important events. Meanwhile, in ancient India, the same region of the sky was associated with the star group Mah, which has connected to the Pitra, the ancestors who came before us. For many people, these stars served as reminders of family and generational wisdom. Across the ocean in Mesoamerica, the ancient Maya looked up at the same patch of the sky and saw something completely different. Two muddy, snuffling peccaries trotting through the heavens side by side. They believed these two celestial peccaries were present at the very birth of the world and were witnesses to the moment the maize god rose from the earth like the first corn plant breaking through the soil. Centuries later, in the 10th century, Al-Sufi carefully studied the constellation and plotted the stars in detail, the Book of Fixed Stars. Separated by oceans and centuries, people across the world were drawn to the same point in the sky. Perhaps that is the quiet magic of Regulus. Not that it holds the answers to our questions, but that it has always known how to ask them.
So that was the fascinating story behind Regulus and the Leo constellation. But if you take a closer look at Leo, there is something hiding there in plain sight.
Did you know that inside the Leo constellation lies a beautiful group of 3 galaxies known as the Leo triplet? Seeing them or capturing them through a telescope is a very special moment because you're looking at not 1, but 3 galaxies all at once. And you know what's the wildest part? They're millions of light years away, yet they're still within our reach to observe. It just puts things into perspective.
Wait, but what is a galaxy?
What is a galaxy? Yes, so we can understand it by understanding solar system. So just like in the solar system, we have the sun, planets, their moon, asteroid, comets. When billions of such solar system come together, and not just solar system, but gas and dust and nebula and black hole and different types of billions of stars come together, that forms a galaxy. And we have billions of galaxies in our universe. Ours is known as the Milky Way, of which Sun is a part of, but we have a nearby galaxy called Andromeda. Let us take a closer look at Leo and how does it looks from India and Pakistan. The spring season is in its full swing, March has already flown by, and as you are enjoying your evenings with the flowers and the birds, don't forget to look and hunt for Regulus, the question mark, the inverted question mark, and the whole Leo constellations. I wish you the very clear skies, and I'll see you next month. Bye-bye. Bye, Kainatis.